Hello, welcome back to ReddyControls. In this short video, we're going to talk about how to change the background color of a ignition perspective screen. Here I have a existing perspective screen with a white background, and when I select the root, if I had to change this to a more gray color background, you come back to the properties here, props page on the right side here, and hit modify style, and in here you can get to the background color and click on this palette, and I am selecting a gray color. So that's how you select the whatever background color you want, but right now I'm just selecting a gray color background. And you could add text, whatever text family you want and the size, and there are multiple. You could do a margin and a padding also based on the contents and the border, and you could create shape, or you could add a border. For example, if you want to add a solid border, that's how you add a solid border. And you could change the border color to some other color like that. And you could do multiple things with the border. You could either link it to the property, like if you have an alarm in that page, you can make that border flash based on a tag property. And you have some miscellaneous where you could adjust the opacity of the page, where you could make it transparent or opaque, and you could change the cursor to grab or crosshair. There are many properties like this, but that's all for this video. Just a quick short video about how to change the background color in perspective in ignition SCADA. If you like this video, I have a similar video where I went into the details of how to create a perspective page. The link will show in the to the right side. Thank you. See you in the next video.